Thanks to the Allrecipes member who submitted this delicious recipe for slow cooker buffalo chicken sandwiches. It has received rave reviews, including, "This is the best thing to ever come out of a crock pot in the history of cooking," and "Awesome, can't get enough. One of the best sandwiches I've had." To begin this recipe, pat dry 4 skinless, boneless chicken breast halves. Place the chicken in a slow cooker. Open a 17.5-ounce bottle of buffalo wing sauce and add it to the pot. Then add half of a 1-ounce package of dry ranch salad dressing mix. And mix well. Cover and cook on the low setting for 6 to 7 hours. Once the chicken has finished cooking, add 2 tablespoons of butter to the mixture and stir until it's melted and blended. One member suggests that you can shred the chicken after 5 hours of cooking and then put it back into the slow cooker to let it soak up all the sauce for another 2 hours. When ready to serve, finely shred the chicken with 2 forks. Cut 6 grinder rolls in half lengthwise, fill them with chicken, and top with the remaining buffalo chicken sauce. Serve them hot with blue cheese dressing on the side.